Passive Empire review. That is what we'll be checking out in this video. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So in a nutshell, Passive Empire is an info-based training course which is being created by Cynthia Benitez and John Newman, and they are my fellow Ministry of Freedom members. And in this training course, Cynthia is going to tell us how she is able to generate those commissions and build a passive empire for herself. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area. I'll be showing you my bonuses which I've crafted for you guys. We'll be taking a look at the sales page, and I'll be telling you if this product is good for you or not. So in order to help you out with this product, I've crafted some special bonuses for you guys. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below, and once you click on that link you will come to this particular bonus page, and make sure you pick up your bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. And the number one bonus which I'm going to offer to you is my 60-minute one-to-one coaching call, where we can discuss about any aspect of your business, be it any topic, be it where you are, where you need to be. So it is going to be 60 minutes one-on-one coaching call with me. Bonus number two, I'm gonna tell you how you can SEO blast your WordPress blog, because in this training Cynthia is going to tell you how you need to create a blog to promote different offers. So this particular bonus, this particular training is going to help you to SEO blast your WordPress blog. And by SEO blast means how you can rank your pages on number one page of Google. Bonus number three, I'm gonna give you training on video ranking. In this training course, Cynthia also going to tell you how you need to create the videos, and this particular bonus of video ranking is going to help you to rank those videos which you are going to create. Bonus number four, I'm going to give you the JavaScript commission bot. It is automated software that is going to help you automate all your Instagram marketing, so you can just promote anything over Instagram as well. So it's a complete access to the JavaScript commission bot, which was recently launched by Jono Armstrong. And bonus number five, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses right inside the members area, which I'll be showing you. And all your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, you just need to click on access affiliate bonuses, and all your bonuses will be available for you. And all you need to do, you just need to click on any of these buttons on this page that will take you to this particular sales page. And the sales page says you're about to start building passive empires within 30 minutes that produce automated income day in, day out. Yes, it is going to be an automated income, but you have to put in the work initially to set those empires up, to set that passive income up. Then only you are going to get the results. So you can watch the video from Cynthia over here. And this product is going to be live on 17th of October on a Warrior Plus marketplace. And then we have these income snapshots, and these are the creators, Cynthia and John. And rest you can have a look once you are ready to make the purchase. Now let me just take you straight away inside the members area. So this is how the members area gonna look like. It's a very clean looking members area. And the first video you're gonna get is the welcome video from Cynthia and John. Then they're going to give you the walkthrough of how you need to access this course. And then comes the core training part as to how you need to find the niche for yourself, and then how you need to find the offer, which is very important. You need to find the right offers which you need to promote, and that is going to be covered inside the training. And she's going to tell you how you can find the offers on ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. And the module number 5 is going to talk everything about setting up your WordPress blog. So it is the over the shoulder step-by-step training which you just need to follow step by step, module by module. Then she's gonna tell you about the funnel building as to how you need to create the funnels in order to drive the traffic, and then how you need to create the review, how you need to set up your affiliate marketing campaign. And then module number 8 talks about creating the video. and that is where my bonuses are going to help you with the video ranking bonus and the SEO blast bonus. And module number 9 is all about the result, and then you have the conclusion. And after that you will get all these vendor bonuses right here inside the members area. And then there are some upsells, the OTOs. So let me tell you about the OTOs and the price point. So you're going to get all these bonuses and the training which I showed you for just $12.95. Yes, that's the front end price for Passive Empire. It is only $12.95. The upsell number 1 is the Passive Empire Advanced for $27, where she is going to teach you the advanced strategies to explode your results. The upsell number 2 is the Passive Empire Done For You for $47, where you will get the Done For You bonus pages every week for 365 days. So that's basically the Done For You for next 1 year. You don't have to worry about the bonus pages. Upsell number 3 is the Passive Empire license rights for $67, where you can just sell Passive Empire as your own product and keep the 100% profit. And upsell number 4 is the coaching. It's a 1-month coaching for $197, where she's going to help you with anything you need regarding internet marketing. So I highly recommend you going with this coaching, because that is where you get your questions answered. This is very important, the mentorship, the coaching. Otherwise, if you have some questions, you have no one to support you, to answer you. So I highly recommend you going for this coaching. And I've also given you my 60-minute coaching call bonus, so that is going to help you as well. So now, talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not, well, I really like these info-based products, because these are the trainings which people who are implementing those trainings, they are releasing those trainings, and I have gone through this training, and this is the right strategy. This strategy works, and this is working for Cynthia and John. And I highly recommend you picking up Passive Empire along with my bonuses. So guys, I hope my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision about Passive Empire. The link to my bonus page will be in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.